Take a breather, understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to dive into a commonly used English phrase, take a breather. Understanding such phrases is crucial for not only grasping the language but also for sounding like a native speaker. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The phrase, take a breather, is an idiomatic expression in English. It essentially means to pause, rest, or take a break from something. This break is usually short and is meant to help someone relax or regain energy. The word, breather, here signifies a period where one literally catches their breath, especially after being active or busy. Understanding where phrases come from can often help us remember them better. Take a breather has its roots in physical exertion. Think of an athlete who pauses to catch their breath during a strenuous activity. Over time, this phrase has evolved to be used in various contexts, not just physical ones. It's now commonly used in work, study, and everyday life scenarios. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use take a breather in conversations. 1. After a long meeting. That was intense. Let's take a breather before we start the next session. 2. While studying. We've been studying for hours. How about we take a breather and then continue? 3. In a stressful situation. You seem overwhelmed. Maybe you should take a breather and come back to this with a fresh mind. While using take a breather, it's important not to confuse it with longer breaks or quitting. This phrase is specifically about short pauses. Also, remember it's more informal, so it might not be suitable for very formal or official communications. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, take a breather, confidently in your English conversations. Remember, taking a breather is not just about language. It's also a good life practice to rest and recharge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take a breather in your day-to-day life.